like this when we wore the straw hat. Alright?
Yes.
So who got a straw hat for his gift? And then what happened? He said, when am I going to use this? So all his friends told him, you can do it in the summers. Now it is very windy. If you wear that straw hat now, that straw hat will be blown by the wind. Then he wore the hat and he looked nice, it fitted him and he loved it, he liked it, and everyone warned him not to wear it in the winters because it will be blown by the wind. Then Piglet and Roo opened their presents. Piglet and Roo, each of them got a ice cream cone. Okay? Piglet and Roo each got an ice cream cone. They were very excited. But then again they remembered that it's very, very cold. So when will they have ice creams? In the summer season. So Kanga said, whenever you feel like having ice cream in the summer season, you can come to my house. You bring that cone along and I'm going to fill that cone with ice cream. Alright? Then, now you little ones can come to my house whenever you want and I'll put ice cream there in your cone.
What?
Okay, so they said, in winters we don't want ice cream. It's quite cold. So we will come to you in the summer to have ice cream. Now, Iroh was the last one. Iroh got a woolly rug. You know what is a woolly rug? A blanket. A sort of a blanket. It's like a blanket. He got a rug for his gift. So Iroh was quite unhappy because he didn't know what to do with that. Alright? So what did he say? He looked puzzled and he said, Kanga told, it's a garden rug. You can use it whenever you have a picnic. You can put the rug on the grass and you can sit on that and enjoy the picnic. Picnic? Asked Iroh. Iroh got very angry because he didn't like the gift. But then he didn't show it outside. In this weather, he said, you think I'll go for a picnic in this weather? And Kanga got hurt because she got a present for him and Iroh did not like it. So Iroh knew that Kanga got hurt, so he said, anyway, thank you for it, I liked your gift. He said, I'll use it when I can. Then, exactly, now let's see. I suppose it will stop snowing one day. And then he said, maybe I can use that rug when I go for a picnic when it stops snowing. And Kanga, what did she say? She said, funny, you all are so funny. When it is not snowing, you all want that snow should fall. And when there is so much snowfall now, and you want the sun to come out. She said, you all are very funny. Now, exactly a week later, on the first day of January, today is the first day of January or second day? Second day. On the first day of January, what happened? Roo woke up and again he looked out of his window here and he saw the sun was shining. He was so happy. He thought summer had come because they all had wonderful gifts to play with, isn't it, in the garden? So he said, Mommy, the sun has come out. Hurrah, it's so nice now. I'll go and call all my friends for a picnic in the garden. And then he ran without, before his mother could stop him, he ran to call his friends. See how he is running. Did you see? He ran to call his friends. And before Kanga